Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So the month of November is already here and we are just 2 months away from finishing 2017. Time has really flown by and this year is special to me because I started my YouTube channel. So thank you so much for all those who have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't yet, then please do subscribe to my channel. Click the red button which is mentioned down below. Also, do not forget to click the bell icon next to it so that you are notified each time I make a new video. So today's video is going to be a review of two lipsticks that I recently purchased from Blue Heaven. I think it is their new launch from what I know. If you're interested in knowing more about these lipsticks, my thoughts on them, then please keep on watching this video. Okay, so the lipsticks that I'm going to talk about are these from Blue Heaven. They are called the Blue Heaven Artisto Velvet Matte Lipsticks. I have purchased two shades and this is how they look like. Essentially, I would say they look like a lip balm, but I think they don't look that bad in person. And the shade name, everything is mentioned at the bottom. And the price of this lipstick is 105 rupees on Blue Heaven's website. But the thing I find funny about Blue Heaven is that some Instagram stores sell it for 150. Some, if I go on purple.com, they sell it for some another price. And this has happened with their other lipstick ranges as well. So I find it very funny. So I always go to the Blue Heaven website and I buy from there because I think that is the proper pricing or whatever it is. So during Diwali they had a sale which was I think 18% off. So the original price is 105 rupees on their website and I got these for 70 rupees each. So the 70 rupees tag really attracted me to go ahead and purchase this, and I said if I purchase it I'll definitely review on my YouTube channel. So I got this for 70 each, but then I had to pay 65 rupees shipping, so it comes to the same thing. Also, when I went to my market, I saw these lipsticks. I mean, you have those sellers, right, who are selling all those affordable makeup. So I spotted these, and the guy said that ये 100 रुपये का है. So you should get this for ideally for 100 or 105 rupees. Don't pay more than that. So these lipsticks come in 18 shades from what I see on their website. So I'm just going to have a look. So they say that it has 18 shades. It has 4.2 grams, which is a good quantity for a lipstick. And what do they claim? They say Blue Heaven Artisto Velvet Matte Lipstick is a newly formulated lipstick which gives soft texture and smooth velvety matte finish look to your lips. Get soft and colorful lips every day. Available in 18 different trendy shades. It gives your lips a perfect velvety matte finish and intense color in just single stroke. So it says that, I mean, they claim that it will last up to 6 to 7 hours, and yeah, that's what they say. And they said it has good pigmentation. So I bought these lipsticks quite some time back and I have tested them, so I can tell you how they are. So let's first start with the packaging. I showed you the packaging before as well. They look somewhat like a lip balm, but that's fine. For 100 rupees you cannot expect a lot. So the cap is really nice and tight, and you get the click sound, so it's very safe to carry while traveling. The shade numbers are mentioned here at the bottom, and it also has an manufacturing date and expiry date mentioned out here, which is a good thing. So let me just show you the first lipstick, and it is shade number 407. I'm sure my camera will not catch it, but it is a pink lipstick, as you can see. Now what is interesting is the shape of the lipstick bullet. Can you see that? It's like flat from both sides and it has a pointy edge. Now honestly, the shape of these lipsticks is nothing new for me. Like Oriflame did have the lipsticks which have these kind of shapes. Now they do not make it anymore, and that was a very basic line of lipstick. I do not remember the name. Also, Physicians Formula from the American brand, they also have something like this. So this is a very unique, I feel, and some people may not like it, some may like it for different reasons. So whatever it is, this is the shape of the lipstick, and I'm going to show you a hand swatch first. So can you see the pigmentation? I just swiped it twice and this is the color that you get. So I would say the color payoff is really good. The smell of this lipsticks is typical, like every Blue Heaven lipstick. Like, it's hard for me to mention what kind of scent is there in it. but I feel it is kind of a floral scent, and once you apply it on your lips, it will not, it won't linger on your lips. So I think that in that way, it's absolutely fine. So I think this shade is really beautiful, it's stunning. It's 407. On the website, it looked a bit different, and that is with every lipstick. But then I purchased it because I thought I did not have that color. But overall, I feel I have something like this color lipstick. But I'm happy with it. Okay, like I love lipstick, so it's okay. But the thing that happens that you cannot, judge a lipstick color online. It's very difficult. But then we beauty bloggers buy everything for review. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to apply it on my lips. So my lips have become very chapped, very dry. So I have moisturized them previously. I had applied Borolene because right now nothing is working for my lips for now. So this is the shape of the lipstick like I showed you. So what I do is I do a cut like that across, like that, and then I go all the way in. So because of this pointy tip, it's like it makes application easy, like around the small edges out here. So what I do is I do it like a lip liner sort of thing, and then I fill my lips, in this format. Okay, so if I have to define this shade, it's like a nice hot pink color, very basic. Maybe you would find this shade in any other lipstick collections or brands, but I think for 100 rupees, what can you expect more, right? So if I have to check the transfer, if I have to do a transfer test, well, yes, they do easily transfer. Can you see that? But the transfer is quite less. It could be more than this, right? So as they claim that it's a velvet matte lipstick, yes, it has that velvety kind of feel when you apply it on your lips. It's quite what I should say, it's quite light and velvety when you apply it. It's not like dry that you have to drag it on your lips. And after a couple of minutes, like say after 15-20 minutes, you will, I mean, if anybody looks at your lips, they will find that your lips are looking really matte, which is a very good thing. So I would say that what they have claimed velvet matte is true. Yes, it is velvety, and once you apply it on your lips, and later on it turns like a matte kind of finish. Okay, so the next shade that I'm going to talk about is shade number 410. So that's what I have applied on my lips right now. And what do you guys think? In my opinion, this lipstick is absolutely beautiful. Like when I saw this shade online, it was looking more like chocolatey dark brown, and that's what it appears on the tube as well. Like if you look at the tube here, it's quite dark, but on the lips it comes like a perfect brown lipstick. And these kind of browns is something which I really love. There are a lot of pinky brown, like whenever I use whenever I purchase a brown lipstick, it turns out to be pinky on my lips, which I do not like, and I have so many of those lipsticks. So I'm really happy with this one, and it really looks stunning on me at least. I don't know about others, but it will look best on every skin tone. I feel like those who are a little bit dusky, it will be like a perfect brown MLBV kind of shade. So let me do a hand swatch as well to show you how it looks. So this is how the shade looks like on my hand. It's a beautiful brown taupey kind of color. Like it has like brown undertones to it. There are no pink undertones, which I really like. So I'm really impressed with these two lipsticks. But the thing that I found out about these lipsticks when I was testing them, that when once you start eating or drinking something, it will fade from the center of your lips, which I'm not a big fan of. so you will definitely have to reapply, and they last you for a good 4 to 5 hours. After that you will definitely have to reapply these lipsticks. But for 105 rupees you cannot expect much, right? There are 18 shades and the formula is really good. It's very smooth, velvety, like they have mentioned, and it also looks like matte on the lips. Like when I'm talking right now, can you see it looks like matte and really amazing. So in my opinion, these lipsticks are a big thumbs up for the price, like 105 rupees or 100 rupees from wherever you find it. You can even get it right now on discount, like they are on 10% or something discount. You are getting it for 73 rupees on the Blue Heaven website. And no, this video is not sponsored. I have purchased these lipsticks. If anything is sponsored or anything like that, I always mentioned it in the description box. Okay, my friends, so these lipsticks are a big thumbs up from me. As I mentioned, I think for the price they are absolutely amazing. You get 18 shades, and I think 412 as well is a nice brown color, so definitely do give that a try. I am planning to purchase probably 2 more lipsticks because it's really affordable and I really like the formula. Apart from the fading part from the center of the lips, I do not find anything really, bad about these lipsticks, and I think Blue Heaven has done a good job with these. So this is my review for today. I hope you liked it. If you liked my video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you all soon in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.